Have you ever wanted to grow your own plants, but don't know where to start? Today I bring you the 7 easiest plants and herbs to care for, ideal for beginners. From herbs that grow faster than an athlete in a 100-meter race, to plants that are practically indestructible. Stick around to the end because you'll find out which one ranks number 1, and why it's the most spectacular of them all. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome to the Grow Channel, where we make growing an exciting adventure. If you've always wanted to have a garden but think it takes a lot of experience, let me tell you something. We all start from scratch. Today I'm going to show you 7 plants and herbs that are not only easy to grow, but will also grow so fast and so spectacularly that you'll feel like you have green superpowers. Ready to get started? Let's go to number 7.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Number 7, the radish. This humble root vegetable is often overlooked, but it has some incredible qualities that make it stand out. In the number 7 spot we have the radish. Known for its crisp texture and peppery flavor, the radish is a versatile addition to any meal. If the radish were an athlete, it would be the Usain Bolt sprinter of the vegetable world. Its growth rate is astonishingly fast. Why? Because it can be ready to harvest in just 3 weeks. That's right, from seed to table in a mere 21 days, it is one of the fastest and most grateful vegetables. Not only does it grow quickly, but it also requires minimal effort. All you need to do is plant it in loose soil, water it regularly and ensure it gets enough sunlight, and boom, you'll have fresh radishes before you know it. They are perfect for salads, garnishes, or even as a healthy snack. Perfect for those who want quick results and don't have a lot of patience. Plus, growing radishes can be a fun and rewarding experience for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. So next time you're thinking of what to plant in your garden, consider the radish. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Number 6, oregano. At number 6 we find oregano, the rock star of aromatic herbs. This plant is like that friend who is always ready to help you, strong, resistant, and easy to care for. Oregano doesn't need much watering or special care, and it adapts to almost any type of climate. Plus, its flavor will give your pizzas, pastas, and sauces that Italian touch that we love so much. It's a plant that always delivers. Number 5, lettuce. At number 5 we have lettuce, the gymnast of the vegetable garden. Why? Because it adapts incredibly well to small spaces such as a pot or a corner of the garden. Lettuce is quick to grow and easy to harvest. You can cut off the outer leaves and let the center continue to grow. It's like having an endless salad buffet in your own home. Number 4, cilantro. At number 4, we have cilantro, also known as the chameleon of the garden. Its versatility is impressive. You can use it in salads, salsas, guacamole, and more. Cilantro is ideal for beginners because it germinates quickly and grows without you having to keep an eye on it all the time. Just be sure to give it plenty of sun and a little water, and it will reward you with an unmistakable aroma and flavor. Number 3, basil. In third place we have basil, the diva of aromatic herbs. This herb is not just a treat for the eyes, but also a delight for the senses. If basil were a person, it would be a model, because it loves to look spectacular in the sun. Its vibrant green leaves and delicate flowers make it a standout in any garden. It's super easy to grow and has such a pleasant aroma that it will turn your garden into an aromatic spa. Imagine walking through your garden and being greeted by the fresh, invigorating scent of basil. Plus, you can use it in everything from salads, where it adds a burst of freshness, to sauces and pestos, where it brings a rich aromatic flavor that elevates any dish. Of course, basil needs warmth, so place it in a spot where it gets plenty of sun. A sunny windowsill or a bright garden spot is perfect for this sun-loving herb. Remember to water it regularly, but be careful not to overwater. With the right care, your basil plant will thrive and provide you with fresh leaves all season long. Number 2, cherry tomatoes. In the number 2 position are cherry tomatoes, the artists of the garden. If you're looking for a plant that grows fast and is visually appealing, this is the one for you. Cherry tomatoes are like little natural candies that you can pick right off the plant and eat at any time. They grow in pots, gardens, or any sunny corner. Best of all, one plant can give you an incredible amount of tomatoes all season long. Number 1, mint. And at the top of the list is mint. This plant is like the Hulk of herbs, strong, invasive, and virtually indestructible. Mint can grow almost anywhere, with or without sun. and is perfect for infusions, desserts, or even to repel insects. Just be careful, because if you plant it in the ground, it can quickly spread like an unstoppable wave. Better put it in a pot to control it. Let's talk about the benefits of growing your own herbs. Growing your own herbs can save you money, provide you with fresh ingredients, and even improve your mental health. Imagine having a fresh supply of basil, mint, or cilantro right at your fingertips. Not only do they add flavor to your dishes, but they also have numerous health benefits. For example, mint can aid in digestion and basil has anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, the act of gardening itself can be a great stress reliever, so why not give it a try? Now, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when growing herbs. One of the most common mistakes is overwatering. While herbs need water to grow, too much water can lead to root rot. Another mistake is not providing enough sunlight. Most herbs need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Also, be careful not to overcrowd your plants. Giving them enough space to grow is crucial for their health. Lastly, don't forget to prune your herbs regularly. This encourages new growth and keeps your plants healthy. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to a thriving herb garden. Finally, let's talk about how to harvest and store your herbs. The best time to harvest herbs is in the morning after the dew has dried but before the sun gets too hot. Use sharp scissors or pruning shears to cut the herbs, and be sure to leave enough of the plant so it can continue to grow. Once harvested, you can use the herbs fresh or dry them for later use. To dry herbs, tie them in small bundles and hang them upside down in a warm, dry place. Once dried, store them in airtight containers away from direct sunlight. This way you can enjoy your homegrown herbs all year round. And there you have it. We've taken a delightful journey through the world of beginner-friendly gardening. These are the 7 easiest plants and herbs to grow if you're just starting out in the gardening world. From the speedy radish to the indestructible mint, each of these plants offers a unique experience and a rewarding harvest. All of these options are perfect for beginners. They require minimal effort but provide maximum satisfaction. Imagine the joy of seeing those first green shoots sprout from the soil. Remember, it's not just about the result. Gardening is a journey, a process that teaches patience and care. It's about enjoying the process of nurturing your plants and watching them grow. There's something incredibly fulfilling about seeing the fruits of your labor, quite literally, as your plants thrive and flourish. It's a reminder of the beauty of nature and the rewards of hard work. And there's nothing more satisfying than cooking with ingredients you grew yourself. The flavors are richer, the satisfaction greater, and the connection to your food deeper. Now tell me, which of these plants would you like to grow first? Is it the versatile mint, the quick-growing radish, or perhaps the fragrant basil? Leave me your answer in the comments and share your experiences with us. We love hearing your stories and seeing your progress. Your journey can inspire others to start their own gardening adventure. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Grow channel. Your support helps us create more content and reach more gardening enthusiasts like you. We upload a video every week packed with tips, tricks, and inspiration for your gardening journey. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned gardener, there's always something new to learn. For more content about gardens, gardening, and practical tips, make sure to stay tuned. We cover everything from planting techniques to garden design, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to succeed. Turn on the little bell so you don't miss our next videos, and get ready, because we have some exciting topics lined up just for you. In the next video, we'll explore the 5 weirdest and easiest homegrown fruits you've probably never tried. These unique fruits will add a touch of the exotic to your garden and your kitchen. You're going to love it, so stay tuned, keep growing, and happy gardening.